This morning, ASUS officially announced that it will hold a new product launch conference on August 31 to launch a new folding screen notebook Zenbook 17 Fold OLED. On the same day, BOE's official Weibo post stated that the Zenbook 17 Fold uses its first 17.3-inch OLED folding screen, and it has been shipped exclusively for ASUS. At CES 2022 at the beginning of this year, ASUS released the world's first foldable OLED notebook Zenbook 17 Fold, and its unique design surprised many people. It is reported that this unique OLED folding screen adopts BOE's new generation of self-distribution technology, which can greatly improve the screen quality while enhancing the color accuracy of low grayscale. As a notebook screen, this 17.3-inch flexible screen can be folded in half from the middle in addition to being unfolded, bringing users to 12.5-inch 1080 screens.